Hello everyone, welcome to my new channel, Learning with DC24, the best teacher in the world. I'm your host, DC24. Okay, that's enough of DC24. Let's get started with today's lesson. Okay, welcome back. So today's topic, we have equivalent fractions. As you can see here, so when a question comes like this, write down 3 equivalent fractions. So all you have to do is literally whatever you want, as long as your answer can go back to this. You understand? Let's take an example. So you have 1/2. Let's times it by 2. So whatever you do up, you also do down. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Now can you make 2/4? Can you bring it back to 1/2? Yes, you can. How? By dividing by 2. So 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. So we just brought it back. So that means that 2/4 is the same as 1/2. So that means they are equivalent fractions. Equivalent means the same. Okay, so they are the same. Now what else? What else is an equivalent fraction for 1/2? Let's say times 3. So to be 3 times 1 will be 3. So whatever you do up, you also do down. 3 times 2 will be 6. Okay? So how do we know if 3/6 is the same as 1/2? Let's see if we can make it to be 1/2. How do we do that? By dividing by 3. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. 6 divided by 3 is 2. So here's 1/2. Here's 1/2. So that means 3/6 is the same as 1/2. You get it? So that means they are equivalent fractions. They are the same. Let's get another equivalent fraction. You can choose literally any number as long as it's the same result. So let's just choose, for example, 10. Now, if you're going to do 10 up, you have to do 10 down, or else it's not going to be the same. So 10 times 1 will be 10. 10 times 2 will be 20. So how do we check if it's the same, equivalent to 1/2? Just divide by 10 and it will equal to 1/2. So that means 10/20 is the same as 1/2. You can multiply any number you want. It can be 100, it can be 200, it can be 300, it can be 1, it can be 4, it can be any number you want, but just make sure if you multiply times 4 up, you have to multiply times 4 down. If you multiply times 100 up, you have to multiply times 100 down, or else the result that you get is not going to be an equivalent fraction. Let's take number 2. Let's do 4. So 1 times 4 up, it will be 3 times 4 down. 1 times 4 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12. All you have to do is divide it by 4 and to be 1/3. What else is an equivalent fraction? Any number at all. Just make sure that you multiply up the same number as down. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15. Okay, let's choose 6. So 6 times 1 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. So now we have 3 equivalent fractions. All these fractions are the same as 1 over 3. So they are equivalent to 1 over 3. Let's take one more. Let's do times 2. Times 2. Remember, I'm getting this number. It could be any number you want. It doesn't have to be 2. It doesn't have to be 3. It doesn't have to be 4. It can be any number you want. It can be 1,000, 2,000, whatever. Just make sure that if you do times 2 here, then it has to be times 2 down. Okay, so what is 3 times 2? Is 6. 4 times 2 is 8. Let's choose another number. Let's choose times 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 4 times 4, 16. Let's choose another number again, one more time. Let's choose 5. 5 times 3 is 15. 4 times 5 is 20. So now all of these fractions are equivalent. They are the same as 3 over 4. Okay, so this is what equivalent means. If you do understand, you can go ahead and pause the video. You can do the rest of the questions. If you don't understand, just let me know in the comment section and I will do the rest of the questions so we can have a better understanding on the second video. So anyway, thank you guys for watching and please do enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.